This trigger will activate the piston to be able to push the staples out. So we first started with a sketch. Now, the top part is just a basic square. It's 10 by 10. But because a trigger has to be curved, we decided to make it like this. So it starts to slim down, and you notice that it's 7 millimeters down here. And this is because it's a curved, so it could, have a better curve. And then after that, we had to extrude it. We extruded it about 9.8 millimeters. Only thickness. We had to make it smaller because of the 3D printing and the tolerances. So we had to ensure that it would fit right into the shell. After that, we made a cut. This cut here is to attach the trigger to the actual shell, and it would be attached using screws. This is to secure it in place. The fillet was used to give it more of a nicer look. We had to make a top of the trigger that will be used to reach a button that will activate the trigger. And then we had to make a cut, so then this cut would ensure that the trigger reaches all the way to the button,